Why do things like to break at the worst possible moment? Oh, oof, that hurts! I hate this evil alarm clock. When it rings at the crack of dawn, I do anything to keep it quiet. Like dropping it on the floor. But don't be surprised that you overslept and the alarm clock doesn't work anymore. Here's an idea. Maybe this alarm clock wants to try on another roll? Find a round mirror that's about this big. Take the stand off. Apply hot glue to the edge of the clock face. Glue the mirror to it. Look, now it's a stylish accessory, a mirror in the shape of an alarm clock. It won't wake you up, but it will help you stay beautiful. And it also makes for a good decoration. Wow, this wind is really strong. Is this the sequel to Mary Poppins? No, it's just a broken umbrella. So, what now? Throw it away? No way! You are going to need a small fluffy rug. Put the broken umbrella top on it. Cut an arch-shaped hole on one side. It looks like this cute house is already occupied. Now, get a string of LED lights. Mount it on the metal frame. Hang up a welcome sign and add a cute little mat at the entrance. They say having a cat in a new house is good luck, but this place is already occupied by a cute puppy. Welcome home, little guy! A selfie with Christmas decorations is a must. Hey, let it go! Sometimes your things get ruined so much and so fast that there is no chance of fixing them. A small loop on the sweater turned into a huge hole. Is there anything I can do other than throwing it away? Let's try to give it a second chance. Cut off the sweater sleeves. Cut out mittens the size of your hands. Sew them together from the back side. Turn it inside out. Do the same with the second sleeve. Glue on rhinestone hearts. Aw, cute! Winter is cold. Brrr! It's freezing! An X sweater comes to the rescue. What could warm your cold hands better? That's much warmer. Old books? It's so sad to part. Say goodbye, especially if the cover has such an interesting picture. First, take a piece of white cardboard and scissors. Cut the cardboard into 3 parts. Use a brush to cover them with brown paint. Bend the unpainted edge. Glue the pieces together at right angles. Secure the resulting edge on the cover. What a nice box! Now, take a decorative lock. Glue it to the box. Add metal corners. A little more creativity, take a piece of foil and Elmer's glue. Decorate the cover with some gilding. Coat separate parts of the picture with glue. Attach the foil and fill the box with jewelry. It's so interesting how it's an ordinary book on the outside, but inside there is real treasure. I wish you could protect all your favorite things and insure them, especially sunglasses. How did this happen? These broke too? Don't get upset. Hot glue the pieces of glass to the frame. Glue the damaged areas. Take off the glass's arms. Now we are going to need some gold decorations. Apply hot glue. Decorate the glasses. Take 2 short chains and fasten them to the frame. Clamp them with round pliers. Cute accessory, but how can you use it? Like a stylish collar necklace. Well, if you like steampunk, you'll appreciate this unusual jewelry. Another painting won't hurt. But the new nail causes a whole picture fall. What a disaster! Or maybe the wall is just tired of normal pictures. What if you use the frames for another purpose? Take several frames of the same size. Glue them together. Do the same thing with bigger frames. Hang them on the wall as shelves for plants. Bright greenery will refresh the room, and this looks much more interesting than drawings and photos. What do you think of this idea? A thin belt can enhance even the plainest look. Oh no! This one just broke! Go be with your brothers! That's a shame! By the way, how many of them are there already? This is a great idea! Take an old juice pack. Make an incision with a box cutter. Make sure you get a rectangular hole. Cut the straps. Apply hot glue to the surface and wrap the pack with straps. The buckle of one of the straps will serve as a lock for this stunningly stylish purse. Decorate the sides with black Foamiran and sequins. Make a handle out of another strap. That's it! The old belts don't gather dust in the box anymore. They can enhance your outfit like a leather purse. A real exclusive! An evening with a friend always means a lot of tea and snacks and dirty dishes. It's time to clean the table. Oh, well, this could happen to anyone. I couldn't hold it, so… And anyways, it's good luck. First, collect the pieces so no one gets hurt. Take the lampshade off the desk lamp. Take a flexible wire of a matching color. Wind the pieces of wire around the cartridge. Make tree branches out of them. Choose the largest pieces of dishes. Apply hot glue to them. Secure the pieces on the wire. All that's left is to turn on the lamp. The designer light is ready! It looks like an unusual bouquet. Now you know what to do if you break your favorite cup. I'm sure you'll make a real porcelain masterpiece. My friend took the only stool again! Alright, I'm going to go read magazines somewhere else. Although, take a magazine and roll it up. Tighten it with a tie. Make a few more rolls from old magazines. Wrap the bunch in tape. Wrap the sides and the seat with polyester stuffing. Cover with faux fur. Oh, so fluffy! It's small, but so comfortable. The important thing is that my friend doesn't take this one too. Cats are so cute when they are playing, but not when they are ripping off new wallpaper. Do I have to repair it again? Oh no! Let's get some coffee sticks. Glue them together to make a small door. Now take thicker sticks. Glue them together and draw a semicircle with a marker. Cut it out to make an arch. Cover the pieces with brown paint. Add decorative door hinges. A drop of hot glue to make a cute handle. Print a photo of some stairs. Glue it to the place where the wallpaper is damaged. Add the door. Accent the picture with a small white ladder. Wonderful! I think this is the door to Wonderland! Outdoor games are so fun and healthy! But sometimes they lead to small disasters. For example, the ball hits a flower pot. Oops!
Oh.
You can get upset or you can get creative. You'll need some little succulents. Pour some soil into the broken pot. Put the little pots inside. Fill them with soil too. Strengthen the soil with the broken pieces of the pot. Make mini stairs out of them. Plant cactuses and succulents in the pots. A little imagination and a broken pot turns into a miniature garden. You can decorate a room or a desk with this adorable garden. Isn't it amazing when broken old things get a new life? Did you like our ideas? Let us know in the comments which idea you will definitely use. Hit like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss the most useful life hacks from Troom Select.